Hello guys! Kay birthday man ako gahapon. So, doon sa 101 buffet. Doon ako ni-celebrate akong birthday. Doon sa akong pamilya. Super lingaw and good. Nicole here. And May there. Daniel's there. This is Erahan. You will see her later. She's getting food. Okay guys.
May, balik na palingong kang nana, may kagikuhan niya, may. Ang inahapin ba?
Thank you so much.
Balin lang. It's May, that's your cake, han.
For his birthday.
It's second batch.
Super.
It's fruits. Yan. May, Nicole.
Birthday. Thank you so much.
Ulahan more on Japanese foods like sushi.
Hey.